Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share the work that we finished in the Honda Civic the Sedan for the 2012 model. And this one actually come with the factory head unit and screen before, which you're actually looking at here. Looks like this. Okay, and currently it is fit with the premium 9-inch head unit screen. That of course has wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as usual at the premium level. And we actually connect the system here at this stage for the factory reverse camera. So you can have a look here that when we reverse, it actually show up the factory reverse camera on our new screen. Okay, so if you have this car, you definitely know that the factory reverse camera showing like some of the yellow line on the side before, but currently it doesn't have that. It has the new red, yellow and green safety guideline on the screen combined with the factory reverse camera. So you can see here the number plate and the bumper bar here, and from here is the other factory setup. So yeah, that's pretty good because this is the factory camera definitely. And you come back to the front screen, which is wireless Android Autos running right now on the screen. Not very fancy, not very something we have to mention out of usual, because this one is the perfectly match on the dust for the car around the edge everywhere, and the color of the new frame is really matching into the car's design. So yeah, that basically is the perfect option for the upgrade in the Honda Civic. We have a little bit of work left over for the second stage, but at this point it's already been done very well with the systems running with the main system. And we will have another video for the Apple CarPlay running on this one, which is similar like many other premium system that we have done. So this one premium and with the Android Auto. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and you know that if you have this car, the factory camera can be retained, and we will design bring it in as the plug and play setup for you, and it's very simple like that. Once again, thank you, and we'll see you then.